Dorje Shugden is believed for 400 years, even by the Dalai Lama's own teachers, to be an emanation of the Buddha Manjushri of wisdom. The Buddha Manjushri of wisdom is himself a disciple of the main Buddha, Shakyamuni. So we have established he's a Buddha. If you adopt Dorje Shugden and you are a kind person and you do the rudimentary worship of Dorje Shugden, at the time of death, he will come to take your consciousness to a better place. It is promised. So what's the shortcut? You get the cake and you get to eat it too. Meaning, hey, you don't have to be a monk for him to help you. Right. You don't have to go and join the monastery and study and debate, and he will help you if you're a good person and you just contact him. You see, worship is a very scary word for a lot of Americans. Worship to me is making a telephone call to him every day. Hey, I'm thinking about you, don't forget me. I brought you some milk, I brought you some tea, things that he liked during his lifetime. And so when you do those familiars, you develop a relationship between you and him. But the commitment is this, Elizabeth: you can't steal. You can't hurt people. White lies are okay. You can't kill. Are those difficult to keep? Not at all, because you're already a good person.
Right. Right.
And that's what's required of Dorje Shugden's worship. Guess what? You can be an atheist and worship him, he's fine. People say if you worship him, you can't study the other schools of Buddhism. I say you're wrong. You can be a Jew and worship him, he'll still help you. You know why? He doesn't help you on the basis of what you are. He helps you on the basis of you need help and you trust him.